the context of home insurance, the term rabbit tails refers to the flexible copper wires that connect electrical outlets and fixtures to the main electrical line. These wires are typically attached to the device using shrink wrap or another type of insulating material. The phrase rabbit tails might come up during a home insurance inspection, so understanding their purpose is important. The name rabbit tails comes from the visual resemblance these wires have to the fluffy tails of rabbits. That's where the name is derived from. They are generally made of solid copper, a material known for its high conductivity, which is essential for carrying electrical current efficiently. The insulation that surrounds these wires plays a critical role in preventing electrical shocks and fires, ensuring the safety of the electrical system and the people using it. Rabbit tails serve a vital function within electrical systems. They ensure a secure and reliable connection between electrical devices, such as outlets and light fixtures, and the main electrical line. Without these connections, devices would be unable to receive the necessary power to operate, leading to inconvenience and potentially hazardous situations. Furthermore, a compromised or absent connection could increase the risk of electrical fires or other electrical mishaps. Home insurance companies often conduct inspections of electrical systems as part of their underwriting process. This allows them to assess the potential risk of electrical fires or other hazards associated with the property. During these inspections, the presence and proper installation of rabbit tails are key aspects that inspectors will examine. They want to ensure that the electrical connections are safe and up to code. Proper installation of rabbit tails is crucial for ensuring their effectiveness and safety. Ideally, a qualified electrician should handle the installation process. Firstly, the electrician will strip the ends of the wires to expose the copper conductor. Secondly, they will crimp these stripped ends onto the terminals of the electrical device, using specialized tools designed for this purpose. Thirdly, the insulation is carefully wrapped around the connection points to provide protection against electrical hazards. This insulation is typically secured with shrink wrap or another type of insulating material to ensure a tight and reliable seal. It is worth noting that the term rabbit tails is not universally used within the electrical industry, and it can sometimes lead to miscommunication. When an insurance company uses the term rabbit tails, they may actually be referring to the copper pigtails that are commonly used to connect devices to the electrical line. While these pigtails serve a similar purpose to rabbit tails, they are not technically the same thing. To avoid confusion, it is essential to clarify with the insurance company what they specifically mean by the term rabbit tails. You can explain that you have copper pigtails installed, if that is the case, and provide a detailed description of their installation. This will help ensure that everyone is on the same page and that the inspection is conducted accurately. If the term rabbit tails causes confusion, clarifying with the insurance company is key. You can explain that copper pigtails are installed, and then give a detailed description of how they are installed. This proactive approach ensures clear communication and an accurate inspection.